Let me show you how easy it is to vibe code an AI agent using the MindStudio Architect. You can see here that I have a blank AI agent project, and all we need to do at this point is click on Generate Agent here at the bottom left. This will open up the new version of the MindStudio Architect, and at this point we can simply type out the agent that we'd like to build. In this example, I'm going to build an agent that scans multiple websites for AI news and then creates a digest for us and emails it directly to my inbox. So we're going to type something like agent will scan multiple tech news sites for AI news. It will compile a digest for us, then it will generate an HTML email and send that email to our inbox. Once we type in our prompt, it's going to analyze and see if it needs any additional information from us. If it does, the MindStudio Architect will ask us some follow-up questions. You can see here that it has a few clarifying details, including which tech news sites we prefer, how frequently we want the agent to run, what email addresses, and the format of the digest. So let's go ahead and respond to these questions. The agent should run every morning at 8 a.m. Then we can say, we don't have a preference on the tech news sites. And then we can say for the digest, generate cards for each article. That includes a title, thumbnail, and description. Clicking on a card will open the article in a new tab. It will continue asking follow-up questions until it feels that it has enough information to create a spec for our AI agent. Now, generating the spec may take a little bit of time, so I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead to when the spec is complete, and we'll continue with the process. Okay, so the MindStudio Architect has completed the spec. We simply need to review the spec and make sure that everything makes sense. Let's take a look through. You can see here it is starting and generating some text, scraping some URLs, and then it is generating the email and sending it to us. Everything looks good. If we do want to edit manually, we can by clicking on this Edit Manually button, or we can continue to chat with the MindStudio Architect and allow the architect to make its own updates. I think everything looks fine, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Build. At this point, it's extracting all the information from the spec, and it's going to begin generating our entire AI agent for us. So this might take a little bit of time, so I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead once again to the completed workflow. Okay, the architect has now finished building our agent. Now all we need to do is click on Open Agent, and it will open up a new project with the completed agent. Let's go ahead and take a look. And when we open up this agent, we can see that it has a schedule every day at 8 a.m. It's going to scrape TechCrunch, it's going to scrape VentureBeat, it's going to scrape MIT Tech Review, and then it's going to extract articles from all of those sites. It's then going to combine all of the articles together, generate the email HTML, and then send the email to our inbox. So when we take a look at this agent, we can go ahead and preview it by clicking on the preview button at the top right and running it in the debugger or opening up the draft agent. I've already run this one time, and you can see here that we have the final result here where it has sent an email to us. And if we take a look inside of our inbox, we have this new daily AI news digest that is being sent to our inbox every morning at 8 a.m. And it looks nicely formatted. It has all of the instructions for the formatting of our digest. We can click on each link and get taken to the article. And that is how easy it is to generate and vibe code an AI agent using the MindStudio Architect. This is something that we recommend you use after you understand all of the concepts of MindStudio. But once you start using it, you'll realize it is an extremely efficient way way to create your AI agents. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.